We've had a real fun afternoon today. We had members of the Rising Pune Supergiants with Stephen Fleming and a couple of the players here, and members of the management team, and we had a great afternoon engaging with students from the Mahindra Pride School, which is a school that we support. We work with them, and we've been working with them since 2011. And the kids came out here today and had a great time. Plenty of pictures, plenty of fun moments, and I'm sure these are moments the children will remember for a long, long time.
An amazing event. We've just finished another training run here at the JW Marriott. What an amazing event. We had kids from all over the place. Tell me a little bit about the talent. I'm always looking for new IPL talent. What do we see today?
Well, there's plenty here, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, there is.
Based on what you've seen, I'm sure you agree with me. We've started to partner with the Mahindra Pride School since 2011, and every year we take about 30 to 40 students and we absorb them into our hotels. So we train them up, and it was great today for them to have the opportunity to mingle with guys like you. It was fantastic that they got to meet Stephen Fleming and so many of the rest of you. So thank you for doing this today.